Okay guys, this is JBL Bar 2.0 soundbar, 80 watts audio power, powerful compact soundbar. This soundbar, you can hook it up to your TV via HDMI cable, optical cable and Bluetooth. This soundbar is currently connected to this TV via HDMI cable. HDMI cable is included in the packaging, but if you want to connect this soundbar to TV using optical cable, you need to buy the optical cable separate. Once you connect this soundbar to HDMI cable, you can control the TV with soundbar remote control and TV remote control. But if you connect it using optical, you can only control it with soundbar remote control. Now what I want to show you is how to hook this up to your TV via Bluetooth. And to do this, so we need to switch off the TV and also unplug the switch of the soundbar. Okay, unplug the cable. Now switch the soundbar on and also switch the TV on. You can see now this soundbar is on and the TV, you keep an eye, there's a light here, it's showing us a white light. Okay, when you want to connect this soundbar to Bluetooth, you need to use the remote control to select Bluetooth, and once you select Bluetooth, it will show you a blue light here. So this soundbar now is in Bluetooth mode. Now we need to go to the TV settings, use the gear button on your TV remote control, select on it, and once you select on it, then you see the settings here. You need to scroll down to the sound. Scroll down to the sound. You can see this is showing us now TV speaker. It's currently in TV speaker. Then you need to select the sound. Okay, use the side button, scroll to the side to Bluetooth. Okay, this is now in Bluetooth. You need to scroll down to look for Bluetooth device list, select on it, and they will start to look. So now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. Okay, and you see it picked up the soundbar. It picked up JBL Bar 2.0. You can see from the list. Okay, so it picked up this soundbar now. So the next thing we need to do is we need to just use the TV remote control and select the center to connect, and it's connecting. It's connecting. Here we go. So now you can see JBL Bar 2.0 is connected. Now use the remote control for the soundbar from the TV to increase the volume.
We haven't really got around to anything.
Okay, and when it's in Bluetooth, you can also control the audio using soundbar remote control or using Bluetooth TV remote control. So this is how to hook this up to your TV via Bluetooth. So now it's in Bluetooth mode. Once you're done that, you can use the remote control to increase the volume. Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is how to hook this up. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.